Yo, what's up? Silly Game here, guys. This is going to be my last video so far. And as you can see, I'm not on a game. I'm not on my page on YouTube. I am on Crazy Lady Plays, and you're like, who the heck is she? Well, it's me. Surprise. This is going to be a new gaming channel. So, I want all of you guys to go over there and click that little subscribe button and click the bell as well. Today we're just going to be like changing some things up, maybe adding a video, maybe, I don't know. So let's get to it. Let's, get a photo. Yes, let's edit. Huh? Wait a second. That's better. Let's go pick a photo. There we go. So this will be our photo. Click done. There we go. I quite like that photo. And let's see here. I don't know, I might create a banner. Or no, I'm actually going to search up one and then I'll be back. But yeah, guys, some reason YouTube's kind of laggy for me just now. So yeah, so go ahead, subscribe, and yeah, I guess I'll see you over in that channel. Bye!